In this tutorial, we will be learning how to develop an alert box when user opens your application. This is very easy but very useful, so let's check it out. Let's open the Xcode and create a new Xcode project. We'll create a view-based application. Click on Next, and here we'll give the name Alert Box. Click on Next. It will ask for the location. We'll make it in our Documents folder. Click on Create, and this is the application. Right now, all we want is to show an alert box when user opens up the application, and to achieve that, we will go to our Objective-C file, which is alertboxviewcontroller.m. Here, all the code is written by Xcode and along with some commented code. If you drag down, you'll find this implement view did load to do additional setup after loading the view, typically from a nib. So here we will just remove this so that this view did load, we can use that. So here we'll type UIA, and as you can see, it gives us suggestion of what we want. We want exactly this one, UI alert view, and we'll name it alert is equal to, we want this again, and what we are doing right now is we are allocating it in memory. So we'll use this alloc, and we will allocate it with some parameters, which will be, when I type in, it shows us the suggestions which says init with title. We exactly want this one, and it does is it created a line of code for us which we want to edit. Obviously, we will first indent it properly so that we come to know what is going on. We don't need it actually, so we'll just remove that, and we will close this bracket. Now init with title is the parameter that asks for the title of our message box. We'll give a string named title here. Next is message, the message that we want to show in the message box, and it will be anything we want. Next is delegate. If we want to do some fancy stuff, like if we are having more than one button in our message box, we need this, but right now we don't need that, so we will make it nil. Just as we did this other button titles nil, we'll need the delegate as well, and the cancel button title will be okay. Here a semicolon. So we have actually defined an object, says unused variable alert. So that means we have defined the object but we didn't use it. So let's use it, alert, and one of the method of this UI alert view is to show, and obviously a semicolon. So what this will do is it will create these alert object with all these parameters. It creates the message box and then show it. But as we have allocated the memory, we will release it as well. So we'll just release it, Well, that is absolutely fine if we don't release it, but it is good to release all the memory we are using. Let's just run that. As you can see, the build succeeded. And here is our message. Title here is because the init with title. Message is here because of this message parameter. This OK is because of this OK. When we click it, it goes away. So this is how we can create a simple application with a message box. Thank you.